I'm not carrying my wallet. UPI है ना. They told us digital payments are smart, fast and modern, but nobody asked at what stage does convenience become control. जो पहले private हुआ करता था, for example, buying a book, helping a friend or donating quietly can now even be flagged, taxed or blocked. So I decided to dig deeper. हर digital transaction का एक record है, ठीक? UPI होता है through banks and NPCI. And your metadata is stored. So technically, yes, you are trackable. Canada में एक ऐसा लॉ पास हुआ था जिससे वहाँ के ट्रकर्स were not happy and they decided to protest against it. The Trudeau administration used the Emergencies Act to block over millions of dollars on donations to these truckers and जो भी donate कर रहा था उनके accounts freeze किए जा रहे थे. On the other hand, India में आ रहा है e-rupee which is also a CBDC जो programmable भी हो सकते हैं. The idea of setting where or when you can spend your money is programmability. China इसको already test कर रहा है with their digital yuan. Let's understand this with an example. जैसे अक्षय की सैलरी is 1 lakh rupees and he receives this in CBDC. अब अक्षय की सैलरी पर रूल्स लगाए जा सकते हैं जैसे he cannot spend more than 30% of it within 10 kilometer radius of his home district. अक्षय को 10% bonds में डालना ही डालना होगा and only 10% को वो कैश करा पाएगा. सबसे सरप्राइजिंग बात, the infrastructure for control is already in place. Even if the governments are not actively abusing it yet, the tools are ready. Don't get me wrong, this deal is not just about a single party. The systems in place took decades to be what they are now with multiple parties in power during it. This is about what it can be.